So here one person told that yes, basically. So according to this everything basically, the land house to basically also basically supposed to create. So this everything basically is connected with what basically? Connected with the land creation. That is the lava creation. That is the lava creation. So 1% of the DS basically. That is the lava creation. Here I will take one more example. In Bhuj basically, long before basically 2001 basically the earthquake happened. More than 20 crore people basically died in Saurashtra. But the person basically who is the Indian army basically, he always keeps a track basically. He will say that basically I will take badla basically. But in school basically when you do the pradhana basically, they said that basically मन में भावना, so what was that basically? मन में बदले की भावना ना होना basically. That means in basically in your मन basically there should not be badla basically. But what is this basically? Because in Bhuj basically whatever people basically died, there are many people basically who got the another birth basically, and like this basically the army group basically who is handling the Indian army basically, he is keeping track of this everything basically. And in this basically people who got the another birth basically, they have the habit basically of speaking enjoy. So he was one of the person basically who was also basically got another birth basically. He was basically child that time basically, but currently he is basically one of the company partner basically. So that is Indian Army group basically. They have basically given him birth, new birth basically. So they have to give lots of money also basically. He is now partner of the company basically. So 1% to this is Abhiman of basically Indian Army basically. Like this basically they are telling that basically we are taking badla basically. But in school basically मन में बदले की भावना ना होना. So 1% what is that basically? Prarthana of the school basically. Because that person also basically has got the done the study in the school also, no, basically. So in next it is.